So my aunt just recently bought a house, and I'm thinking this is a good time to come into the garage and build a housewarming gift. So stick around and I'm going to show you what I ended up building for her. So here's the final product. It's a keychain holder. It's got Live, Love, Laugh scroll sawed into it. It's seashell themed because my aunt's house is she uses a lot of seashells in her decoration. Got a place to store letters or papers or any number of things that you want to put up there. Overall, a couple of things I learned during this project is when I put I polyurethaned it before I glued up the shells, and that caused a problem with some of the glues that I used. I tried using a hot glue gun, and it would work on the pine, but it didn't work on the plywood when I polyurethaned it. So I ended up having to use Gorilla Glue epoxy to hold the what do they call it? Those sea dollars or silver dollars or whatever that seashell is, to get it to stick up there. It was a good project. It was fun. If I had it to do over again, I think I would have done different joinery. I did butt joints down here. I think I would have done a half flat joint and tried to make the joinery a little more hidden on the sides. But when it hangs on the wall, you're not going to see that anyway. And I think overall it comes out pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe.